Here's the app called AI Phone Call Translate. You can see 47,000 ratings. Definitely, it's a new direction with AI. AI Phone Translator is an AI-powered app specializing in real-time call translation over 150 plus languages and accents. Speak naturally in your own language during calls, and the other person will hear it in theirs, and vice versa. It now also supports voice and video call translation for apps like WhatsApp and WeChat. So easy cross-language calls, call captioning and translation, two-way voice translation, type to speak, key point highlighting, AI-powered call summary, call transcripts, capture and store the full conversation as text for easy review, search, and sharing, advanced multi-language translation model, translate phone calls in voice, translate video calls for WhatsApp and social apps, talk and translate in any language, snap and translate with your camera, AI call summary. So now you can then just use it like that, and then just have translations like that, and then just create your account, or you can do it later. There is 3-day free trial. Annual plan $60 per year. And that's basically the idea. So you can use this app to basically you can just open this app and use it for make a call, and then this app will use your own phone, and then obviously like just will call through like normal phone app, but eventually it will transcribe it, and you can talk through this app to the number, and basically then it will be translated automatically. Also, you can just share a link to translate video. You can use a translation for Messenger, for WhatsApp, and then you can just talk in this app and it will be translated. There is also like face-to-face translate. So this is a new era in AI, obviously, when you don't need to learn any other language. There is you can claim gifts. Then there are some redeem codes. If you have some promo codes, you can get that. So here is what you can see it. And super cool. If you have some relatives or friends in some other languages, and for you, for example, English is your not native, or you have some friends in Spain, whatever, they don't really understand English, you can speak in your own language, and this app will translate it for them in real time. So pretty good idea. It integrates greatly with like Messenger and WhatsApp. So definitely check it out. I think there will be more and more apps like that. So check it out.